Okay, so let's do lab next 105.1.3.6 lab. So in this lab, the task you should do is, oh, actually, by the way, so the task, I mean, sorry, the task that you should do is, let's see. Okay, so I think the main task is you have to configure the S1, create VLAN, and assign the VLANs to port, right? And then you have to type show VLAN brief, and then you have to ping from PC1 to PC3. And then the next step is you have to configure the routers. So this configure the sub interfaces on R1 using 802.1q encapsulation protocol. So we know that we have a VLAN 10 and VLAN 30. So when you go to switch, let's see. And you have only VLAN 1. So the first thing you have to do is create VLAN 10 and 30. So let's first do that. VLAN 10 and then VLAN 30, right? And then this F011 should be in the VLAN 10, and then this FA06, right? This has to be in the VLAN 30. So go to interface 11, and this should be the access mode, and then has to be in the VLAN 10. And then go to another interface, and then it's access mode first. It's sorry, mode is access, and then should be VLAN 30. Okay, and then let's see, show VLAN brief. So now we have a VLAN 10, and F11 is in the VLAN 10, and etc. Okay. Then next is if you try to, at this point, right, if you try to ping from PC1 and PC3, it's not going to work because we have not yet configured this router. And another thing is this switch, the Gigabyte 01, right, this interface has to be trunk port because you have only one interface. Through this interface, a frame with tag 10 as well as 1030, right? They are going to travel through this interface, right? So this has to be the trunk port. So go to S1 first, and then we have to go to interface. Oops, we have to configuration mode. Oops. And then it has to be the trunk port. And then we have to say native VLAN. In this case, looks like VLAN 1 is the native VLAN, but by default, VLAN 1 is native VLAN, right? And you don't have to, so no point to put VLAN 1 as a native VLAN because by default, VLAN 1, right, default VLAN, right, is native VLAN. So we don't have to put these things. So this one line of command is enough. Okay, and then go to our router, and we have to configure the sub interfaces. And then this is what Gigabyte 00, right? That's the interface name. and then first, okay, the first, and then no shutdown. So first let's just enable this, and then interface 10, right? The encapsulation mode is DOT1Q, and then this is 10, the name of the VLAN, and IP address is then go to another sub interface, and then encapsulation mode is DoD, I mean encapsulation protocol is DoD.1Q, and then VLAN 30, and /24. Okay, so now once you're done configuring all the ports, right? Now you can ping from PC1 to PC3. Let's just ping. Oops. The IP address of this guy is 10. Okay, so I got the reply. So I'm done.